Welcome to our video on muscles and their functions. Understanding muscle physiology is essential for grasping how our bodies move and respond to various stimuli. Let's explore different aspects of muscle function, including fatigue, fiber types, and contraction mechanisms. Metabolic fatigue is a characteristic muscle response to intense exercise when the rate of ATP replacement cannot keep up with demand. This leads to a depletion of energy reserves and a decline in muscle performance. Neural fatigue is a form of fatigue associated with changes in the synaptic concentration of neurotransmitters within the central nervous system. This can affect the ability of the nervous system to effectively communicate with muscles. Muscle fatigue is the loss of muscle contraction strength over time. It can manifest as neural fatigue, related to the nervous system, or metabolic fatigue, related to energy depletion within the muscles. Fast-twitch glycolytic fibers are used in anaerobic respiration. These fibers are larger in diameter, have a pale color due to low myoglobin content, fatigue easily, have a lower blood supply with fewer capillaries, and have a high myosin ATPase content. They are designed for quick, powerful bursts of activity. Slow-twitch oxidative fibers are used in aerobic respiration. These fibers are smaller in diameter, darker in color due to high myoglobin content, and are fatigue resistant. They have a better blood supply with more capillaries and mitochondria, making them suited for endurance activities. Active tension in muscles occurs when they are stimulated, leading to muscle contraction. Passive tension occurs in the absence of stimulation, as the muscle maintains a baseline level of tension due to its elastic properties. The force-velocity relationship describes the behavior of muscles under different types of contractions. Isometric contraction occurs when muscle fibers do not shorten, such as when pulling on a stationary object without moving it. This results in tension without movement. The length-tension relationship describes how muscle length affects tension. Isotonic contraction occurs when muscle fibers shorten to move a load, such as lifting a weight from the ground. There are different types of muscle contraction. Concentric muscle contraction involves the shortening of muscle fibers, such as when lifting a weight. Eccentric muscle contraction involves the lengthening of muscle fibers, such as when lowering a weight. Isometric muscle contraction involves muscle fibers maintaining the same length, such as holding a weight steady without moving it. Electromechanical coupling explains the mechanism that releases calcium ions from the sarcoplasmic reticulum into the sarcomere. This process is crucial for initiating muscle contraction. Muscle contraction occurs when the thin actin and thick myosin filaments slide past each other within the sarcomere, the functional unit of skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is composed of thousands of muscle fibers, which are bundled together by connective tissue sheaths. This organization allows for coordinated and powerful muscle contractions. Understanding these aspects of muscle physiology helps us appreciate how our bodies generate movement and respond to physical demands. Thank you for watching this video on muscles and their functions. Stay tuned for more educational content on muscle physiology and related topics.